Friends, today's video, we are going to tell you in detail about a business that can be started from home, in which raw materials are easily available, machine investment is very low, and demand can remain steady throughout the year in many markets. Today, we are talking about the dehydrated banana business, in which simple words, we can also call the dry banana chips or banana slices business. This business can be suitable for those who want to build an additional income stream from home, depending on market demand, execution with a small space, a manageable workload, and food products with a long shelf life. So if you're thinking of starting a business from home, then watch this video completely. Now let's understand the entire process without wasting time. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. What is the dehydrated banana business? First, let's understand what the dried banana production business is all about. It is a food processing method in which 70 to 80% of the natural moisture in unripe bananas is removed through drying, extending their shelf life up to 6 to 12 months. Furthermore, it creates a product with a naturally sweet taste and a chewy texture. It's very popular among health-conscious consumers in the market. These products can be manufactured without preservatives. Therefore, the demand for them is growing rapidly in the natural snack food category. Dried bananas are used directly as snacks and also in cereals for breakfast, granola bars, bakery products, and baby food products. Thus, their consumption is not limited to a single category, but in spreading across multiple industries. Why is this business growing rapidly? These days, people are gradually moving away from fast food and deep-fried snacks and shifting toward natural, nutritious, gluten-free, and low-oil alternatives. According to various market research reports, due to increased awareness of today's changing lifestyles and dietary habits, the dried fruit segment has been reported to grow in the mid to high teens annually in recent years. Yes, friends, the demand for dehydrated bananas is increasing day by day at retail stores, organic food outlets, supermarkets, gyms, dietitians, travel snack companies, and online marketplaces like Flipkart, Amazon, and Meesho. Also, dehydrated bananas are sourced actively from Indian suppliers in the export segment. All these factors can make this business a potentially stable and profitable option if you manage quality, pricing, and marketing well. Varieties of dried bananas. Dried bananas can be prepared in three ways. One is to have them peeled and dried in the sun, which often results in chewy flat pieces. Two, they are sliced and dried in dehydrators, and as a result they have a consistent texture from chewy to crisp. And the third is the freeze-dried method, in which it is quickly frozen and then dried under vacuum, preserving the flavor, color, and nutrients, often resulting in a lighter and crispier texture. Fruit varieties that can be dried are the starchy Cavendish, Nendran, Sabah, Kardava, the Abyssinian banana, Malbok, Bovan, and Marjoram, among other varieties of fruit which are frequently used for chips and powder in many areas. Dried banana preparation method. Starting this business from home is very easy. First, you need to select fresh, firm bananas, then wash and peel them well. Cut them into slices of uniform thickness. An important point here is that the slices should not be too thin or too thick. Therefore, it's better to use a slicer machine to uniform cutting. Next, it is important to soak the slices in lemon juice or citric acid solution immediately after cutting, because this prevents natural discoloration and it significantly improves the quality, the appearance, and the taste of the product. Then the slices are spread evenly on drying trays and dried using electric dryers at 45 to 60 degrees Celsius for 6 to 10 hours so that the taste and texture of the final product is consistent. Once the pieces are completely dry, allow them to cool for a while and then pack them in Ziploc bags or vacuum packaging to help increase their shelf life. Most importantly, the packaging should mention the materials used, weight, date of manufacturing, maximum retail price, that's MRP, and FSSAI number. Machine for making dried bananas. The machines required for this business are very basic and affordable. The most important machine is the electric food dehydrator. It has small capacity models starting at 10,000 rupees, while commercial models with large racks can go up to 1 lakh or more. Additionally, a manual or electric slicer allows you to cut each slice to the same thickness. A simple digital weighing machine, a heat sealing machine, food grade gloves, stainless steel bowls, a chopping board, and packaging pouches are all needed. You can buy this all equipment from local suppliers or online sites like Indiamart and Alibaba and more. However, these are general prices and the price of these machines may change or increase at any time. Therefore, it is best to start by conducting thorough market research. License and registration for business. In India, setting up a food business requires basic FSSAI registration, which can be applied for and obtained online. Next, if you plan to distribute in bulk or sell on online marketplaces, GST registration is beneficial. Also, by getting Udyam registration, you fall under the category of MSMEs, which help you access business loans like government schemes, grants, and Mudra loans. Remember that with a home-based food business, such licenses provide security, reliability, and customer confidence. It's essential for long-term growth. How much cost is needed for the business? Cost is a very important part of business. It usually takes 6 to 7 kgs of green bananas to make 1 kg of dehydrated bananas, which averages around 100 to 200 rupees depending on your location. Next, after adding electricity, labor, packaging, and other costs, the total production cost of producing a kg of dehydrated banana is approximately 170 to 200 rupees. So if you produce 10 to 20 kgs daily, your cost will be around 20,000 rupees, while a month's production cost can be up to 6 lakhs. And this investment will depend on the price of fruits available in your location and the capacity of the dehydrator. So consult your nearest professionals to know more about precision investment. Where and how to sell. Brand building is a game-changing factor in this business. You can highlight features like no added preservatives or made from bananas only, if they genuinely match your product and comply with FSSAI guidelines on your bags, which will instantly build the trust of your buyer. Also, the one strong advantage of this business is that potential buyers can be found in many places. You can start by getting samples directly from local supermarkets, organic shops, dry fruit shops, pharmacies, gyms, nutrition centers, and cafes. Online sales are also becoming more profitable. You can list your brand on your Instagram page, WhatsApp business catalog, Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and JioMart seller portal. B2B buyers such as travel snack companies, granola makers, bakeries, export traders, and catering companies place regular bulk orders. Once quality and consistency are established, you can start getting repeat orders, which may help make the business more stable over time. So friends, this is a complete guide to starting a dried banana business from home. If you're looking for a food business idea with relatively low investment, this model may be a good potential in today's market. However, it is essential to follow consistent discipline in the processing, drying, hygiene, and packaging mentioned above. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.